Good evening, guys. My name is James from Varsity Unlimited Tutors. I just made this short recording to just explain a couple of things concerning lessons for this semester. Right. So remember, this semester, for those of you that are doing Bcom Human Resources Management, right, that are doing Bcom HRM, there are 4 modules that you are doing: entrepreneurship, HRIS, business statistics, and HRIE. Right. So we have lessons, weekly lessons every Thursday for business statistics. We have weekly lessons every Thursday for business statistics. Right. So we are also going to send you recordings. We are also going to do revision classes for you. Right. And that will be 800 Rand. Right. But other modules, we do not have weekly lessons. Take note, for all the other modules, we don't have any weekly lessons that we'll be hosting. However, for entrepreneurship and small business, we are going to be sending you recordings, which you can watch. And also, we are going to do revision classes at the end of the semester. That is for entrepreneurship and small business. So the cost for that module will be 800 Rand. Right. Then for human resources, information systems, and HR ethics, we don't really have any lessons, and we are not planning any revision classes for those modules. Just take note of that. However, we can assist with the assignments. So we are going to do assignment classes. We are going to do KCQ class. Right. So this means that on Tuesday, 6 August, we are going to do assignment class for entrepreneurship. On Friday, 9 August, we are going to do assignment class for human resource information systems. On Monday, 12 August, we are going to do HRIE. And then on Thursday, 15 August, we are going to do business statistics. So those are the dates for the assignments. So make sure that if you want help with the assignments, make sure that you attend, and then we do the assignment together, and then you go and write the assignment on your own. Right. Then also we are going to be doing the KCQs together in class in September. So you can also join through on those dates indicated there for the KCQs. That is 6 September, 7 September, 9 September, and 9 September for the KCQs. I've indicated the cost for each module here in terms of the assistance that you'll be getting. Please make sure that you contact us and join through if you are interested. Thank you.